General Lee, sometimes referred to as simply the General, is an orange 1969 Dodge Charger driven in the television series The Dukes of Hazzard by the Duke boys, Bo and Luke Duke. The car's name is reference to Robert E. Lee, General of the Confederate Army, bearing a Confederate flag on its roof. It also has a horn that plays the first 12 notes of the song Dixie. The General Lee's famous Dixie horn wasn't planned though. The producers, while out for lunch, heard a car in Atlanta with the horn, chased it down, and bought it from the car owner. The majority of 69 Dodge Chargers used on the Dukes of Hazzard set were 440 RT models with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Every Charger converted into a General Lee had around $2,000 worth of modifications, including the red-orange paint job with decals, American Vector wheels, a push guard, roll cage, Dixie horn, and a weighted trunk to level out the jumps. During the show's production, somewhere between 256 and 321 Dodge Chargers were turned into General Lee stunt cars. Most were destroyed during filming, and less than 20 still exist today. Finding Dodge Chargers for the General Lee became so difficult that the crew would approach random Charger owners on the street, offering to buy their cars on the spot. The General Lee made its first jump on November 11, 1978 during the show's debut episode, jumping 16 feet high and 82 feet long by stuntman Al Wyatt Jr. The jump became a part of TV history in the car's legend. The General Lee wasn't just a star on screen. It received more fan mail than any of the actors, making it one of the most popular characters of the show. The General Lee became so popular that it generated over $100 million net worth of sales in merchandise and other licensed products. Only around 20 original General Lee cars are believed to exist today, although in various states of repair. On average, more than one was destroyed every episode.